Good day guys, my name is Yanolowa. Presently, Diary of Hackers DoH is running a Learn with Peer program for the OWASP Top 10, which is hosted on TryHackMe. And we have noticed that a lot of the new guys we have issues connecting to the network or deploying machines. So today we are going to look at how to connect to the VPN using Windows and Linux system. So for this first part of the recording, it may be somehow slow because I'm running Windows in a VM and I'm running Google Chrome on Windows in a VM, so you can see how slow that would be. But let's just continue. So after you register and you sign in, you head over to the access page so you can download your VPN configuration file. Let me try to go full screen. Okay, great, we have full screen. So on the access page, you can see the server status, if you are connected or not. So right now we are not connected, so head over and download your configuration file. And it shouldn't take long. You should download your configuration file. I have mine downloaded already, so that's why I have one. So after download configuration file, on Windows system you need to download the OpenVPN client to connect with. So you can head over to openvpn.net/community-downloads, openvpn.net/communities-downloads. I would also drop the link in the description. So once you are on this page, you can choose anyone suitable to you. I'm running a Windows 10 system, so I will download the OpenVPN, install Windows 10.exe. I've already downloaded this. So after downloading, it's very easy to install. It's just that's a GUI for installation. So after downloading it, you just click, then you run to install it. I told you this will run slow because I'm running it in a VM, but I just hope it doesn't take too long. Okay, you can just open it. Okay, anytime now. And if you are running this on your own system, I don't think you should ask you for this permission. I was asking me for this permission because this particular VM is part of an Active Directory and the account logged in here is not an administrator, so I have to be logged in as administrator to install apps. But on your system you should not have such, and if you have, you should be a local administrator on your system. That's not necessary anyways. So it has a GUI for installation. You can just click to agree, then install. I've already installed it, so I won't be doing it again. You can see I have it here. I have it installed already. So after installation and you have downloaded your VPN file, you see the name of your VPN file here. You can just click on it, then right click, then you should see an option that says start OpenVPN on this config file. So if you click on that, it should start the OpenVPN with that config file and connect you to the network. Now that's what it's trying to do. That's this long output, but once you see this message that says initialization sequence completed, that means you are connected to the network. And to confirm that, we'll go back to the access page, then we'll refresh this page. Okay, this page, and hopefully we'll be connected. And now it says we are connected. That means we have been able to successfully connect to the VPN network. The next thing is to deploy a machine and see. So according to what we are running program, we are looking at the OWASP top 10. So I will try to head over to the OWASP top 10 room, click on activities, and I will search for OWASP. You should see the OWASP top 10. Just click on the room, then by now, I think yesterday was the beginning, so we had task 1 yesterday, day 1 injection. So I will be walking us through the task 6, which has day 1 command injection practical. You click on this, you should see this button that says deploy. Now on TryAcme, when you see a task that has this symbol or that has deploy, that means it's a machine you have to deploy, then run things on. So for this one, once we click on deploy, we will wait and it should give us an IP address. And I should note that after it gives you this IP address, our IP address is 10.10.127.206 now, and after it gives you the IP address, it takes a while for the system to boot up. So to be safe, you can wait for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes before you try to access this IP address. So let's just see if we can access it now. I'll just double click, then go to if we are able to access this page, that means we are successfully connected and it's working fine. Still loading. Yes, it's still booting up. So we have to, I actually said we should wait for like 2 minutes. So let's see within 2 minutes if it comes up. And still loading. Actually, yeah, they told us to go to this IP address /evo shell.php, so I'll just click on this instead. Close this out and wait for that to load. Also, you can also run the ping command to see when the machine is up. So I'll just copy this, then I will use cmd and you can run the ping command on that IP address. Because time, and that means the machine is still booting up, so we'll wait for it to come up. This can take up to 5 minutes sometimes, so we'll just chill for it to come up. Okay, that took a while, but once the machine is deployed and you're connected to the VPN, now we can reach the IP address and do what is required for us to do. So that's how we install the OpenVPN client, download our VPN config and run it on Windows. Now I'll be moving to the Linux parts, which of course is more easy because, well, we love Linux. Let me just close this out. So on our Linux box, to install OpenVPN, you have to do sudo apt install OpenVPN to install the OpenVPN client. Now you can see why it's very much easy. I have the OpenVPN installed already, so next thing is to download our configuration file. Let me try to start up my Chrome and see. Okay. So on the access page, just as we did with Windows, On the access page, you can download your config file, then run it. So I have mine downloaded to the downloads folder already, as you can see here. So I will cancel this. On your terminal, navigate to the downloads folder, then you can just use sudo OpenVPN, then the name of the file, which is rootfree.ovpn. In my case, just your file name.ovpn. Then running this, just as we saw in the Windows, once you see this initialization sequence completed, that means you are connected. You can confirm by checking your IP address. You can check the IP address of the server, so you can see that we are connected here. Then to confirm, we can head over to the access page, reload it to make sure we are connected. So we are connected. Now we can head over to the OWASP room, just as we did the other time. Click on taxes, then okay, I have it deployed. So once the machine is deployed, wait for some time for it to boot up and click on the link provided, and now you can access it again and complete the task. I think that's all. That's how you install. So we have to note that to connect, you have to download your configuration file from the access page. You have to download the suitable OpenVPN clients to connect with, then you deploy the machine so you can access it. That's all. Thank you guys. I hope we all have fun learning.